Australia fatal snake bites, produced by Imani Man, medicinal chemistry 4920 at Valdosta State University. The overview of my presentation will be covered under the following areas. Overview of Australia. Australia ranks as one of the best places to live in the world, based off income, human development, healthcare, and civil rights. Being that Australia is the sixth largest country, it is very diverse and is known for the animals such as kangaroos, as well as the great attractive tourist spots like the Great Barrier Reef and the Sydney Opera House. Background of Australia. Australia's full name is the Commonwealth of Australia with a population of 22.9 million, with the majority of the population residing in the largest city, Sydney. Although Sydney is the largest city, it is not the capital. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Australia is highly industrialized and provides valuable resources and food. However, 3 decades ago, Australia has once reached a severe recession. Australia healthcare is quite different. The people of Australia is covered under universal Medicaid and have a public funded program that covers costs of drugs as well. Overview of fatal snakes. Australia has many deadly snakes. The eastern brown snakes are most common in Australia and are responsible for more deaths in Australia than any other venomous animal. However, there are other snakes like the inland taipan, the tiger snake, death adder, and copperhead that are just as deadly and more venomous. 600 out of 3,000 are venomous snakes. To measure how deadly and dangerous a snake venom is, a standard laboratory test called LD50 is used to measure toxicity used on lab mice. The lower the number, the less venom it is required to cause death to the mouse or cause higher toxicity to the mouse. The snake that is most venomous will be the Australia inland taipan, being that its LD50 is 0.025. Background of fatal snake bites. Venom is made of different types of toxin, peptides, enzymes, and proteins. There are different types of venom as well. Neurotoxin, which paralyze parts of the nervous system. Hemotoxin, which destroys blood tissue. Coagulant, which causes the blood to clot or clotting of the blood. An anticoagulant, which prevents clotting of the blood, causing excessive bleeding. Here are some of the drugs used to treat some of the symptoms after a fatal snake bite: curcumin, epinephrine, indrophonium, etidopatide, tyrofibin. Curcumin treats muscle death or damage to muscle. The mechanism of action acts as a free radical and make effective antioxidant, inhibits oxidate DNA damage and reliance oxidative stress, comparable to vitamin E and vitamin C. Epinephrine treats cardiac arrest as well as anaphylaxis. The mechanism of action is the prolonging of the action acetylcholine, inhibiting the action of the enzyme acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine stimulates different receptors. When stimulated, these receptors have a range of effects. Androphonium. It is used to reduce muscle weakness. The mechanism of action works the stimulation of alpha and beta 1 adrenergic receptors and moderate activity as beta Z adrenergic receptors. Epipeptide is the is used to treat for minor heart attacks and severe chest pains. The mechanism of action inhibits platelet aggregation by reversibly binding to the platelet receptor glycoprotein. Tyrosine is also used to treat minor heart attacks and severe chest pain. It also helps dissolve or prevent the formation of blood clots. The mechanism of action is reversible antagonist of fibrinogen binding to the GP receptor, the major platelet surface receptor involved in the platelet aggregation. Platelet aggregation inhibits is reversible following the infusion of tyrosine. Venomous snakes are known for their bad reputation. Because of their deadly bites, the venom that has killed and injured many has led to many scientific discoveries, like angiotensin converting enzymes, which was taken from a Brazilian pit viper and is used in a human body to maintain stable blood pressure. Also, it helped decrease strokes, kidney disease, heart failure, and diabetes. This is just one out of many examples that explain how the medical community advanced over time. Resources of fatal snake bites in Australia found from the following websites and following articles. The end.